Hey everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will be showing you how to see your liked videos on Pinterest. So let's just begin. First you need to open your Pinterest account, and over here let's just see we have multiple images and videos showing up. So let's just assume that you have a video that you like and you simply press on this like button. Now you hope that it is going to be retained, or you can simply watch it later. So this is going to be a mistake because this option was removed by Pinterest and you no longer can see the like tab, so no longer those videos or images are going to be available to you. Now, how do you actually save them so you can retain them later on? So for this, you need to simply press on to any pin. Like, let's just say whether it is a video, doesn't really matter. Let's just say this is the video that you want to save. Click on the save option in red, and now go back to your account. Over here you will be able to see it on the top. So this is a way to retain or save your stuff now instead of liking them, because you can lose them if you like them only. And yeah, so I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. See you in the next one.